To begin, open the phone app on your iPhone. Next, navigate to the Calls tab to view your recent call history. From there, locate the missed call or the number you would like to return later. Simply swipe left on that contact's call entry, similar to how you would when deleting it. You will now see a new blue clock icon appear next to the delete option. Tap on it. You will see several preset options, such as, Remind me in 1 hour, tonight, or tomorrow. Alternatively, select Remind me later to set a custom reminder time. You can now edit the reminder, add a note, and select the date and time that works best for you. You can adjust the time zone, and set the reminder to repeat as needed. Once finished, tap OK in the top right corner. Your reminder will now appear at the top of the phone app under the Reminders section. You will receive a notification at the scheduled time. If you swipe left and tap the blue clock icon again, you can edit or delete the reminder. Once you have made the call, you can tap Mark as complete to clear it. So that's how you can set callback reminders on iOS 26 on your iPhone.